everyone, this is Dr. David Warwick at Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, your local Lacey, Tacoma, Seattle chiropractor here in Washington State. Today we're talking about more of the exercises for our neck pain, the most important exercises. This is part 2, and these are the type of things that help improve your posture, flexibility, strength, and coordination, which are really important when you do some type of neck or cervical rehabilitation. And so we're going to focus on strengthening. And keep in mind, in the past videos I've said, listen, the average head weighs about 10-12 pounds, and that the muscles become weakened over time or tight, stretching those muscles. So, you know, one of the simple exercises you can do is simply dropping your chin to your chest, stretching it that way, looking up at the ceiling, touching your left ear over to your left shoulder or right ear over to the right shoulder. This is without obviously shrugging your shoulders. This is both sides, rotating your head, right, left. These 6 directions can definitely improve, you know, just simple movement of the head. You can even do in rotation, but do it very gently. Rotate your head either clockwise or counterclockwise around. The other thing that you can use is gentle pressure resistance against your hand. And this is a type of active stretch, gently pulling into 6 directions by applying what we call overpressure at the end range, you know, the end point of there. You know, obviously use common sense. If you're feeling unreasonable pain or sharp pain in that, maybe you should stop doing that. So it could be a simple thing of taking your chin to your chest and just applying a little bit of pressure and then a stretch again, just to create that type of motion. And you can do this in all motions, forward, backward, to the side, turning to the right, to the left as well. And some of the things that we look at, you know, for the strengthening is that we're looking at the forward head position or forward head carriage. This is normally where it sits in front of the shoulders and puts a lot of stress into the back of the neck and the upper back. This type of position has a negative effect and creates like this crazy vicious cycle that goes on, complaints, where you start feeling neck pain, headaches, maybe balance disturbances. Long-term effects can be osteoarthritis or OA. I talk about this with my patients quite a bit. These are, you know, important muscles that you can strengthen are the deep neck flexors and the deep neck extensors. So starting with the neck flexors, these are muscles that are located in the front of the neck or the cervical spine. These are what we call the involuntary ones that are voluntary, can be, you know, what we call voluntarily contracted. You kind of trick them into engaging. The extrinsics those are the outer ones, contract and aren't working so much as the deep intrinsic ones. That's where you want to start working that. You can do this by simply, you know, tucking or flexing your chin down toward your chest and pushing your neck, not the back of your head, over your shoulders with some resistance. You can do this by grabbing a simple towel, and you can do this in such a way that you put the towel actually against the back of your neck like this and pushing back like this. And simply doing that type of exercise, you can hold that for, you know, 3 to 5 seconds. You know, keep the chin tucked close to your chest as possible, pushing with the back of your neck again, not the back of your head, backwards. If you're doing it correctly, you should feel that your chest start to rise. And again, you can push your chin down toward your chest, and back of the neck is the key thing. For the deep extrinsic or neck muscles, you can strengthen this in a very similar way, but the key here, do not push at the back of your, you want to push at the back of your head into the towel while keeping your chin tucked. Doing this for 3-5 reps for 3 to 5 seconds, switch sides between that. So the towel will go onto the back of your head, and you can simply keep it tucked like this and pushing with your head. I can feel that engaging and relax. And you can do a little stretch in there. So push against it and relax. You know, you're working the different muscles. You can feel that in your neck. It doesn't take a lot of effort or work in there, but like all things in life, consistency is important. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, your local Seattle-Tacoma chiropractor here in the Puget Sound area, and also member of Chiro Trust. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Look for my next upcoming videos. I'll be doing more strengthening exercises. Check out my playlist on my YouTube channel. And look for my other social media platforms. Also, if you look for more information, visit my website at drdavidwarwick.com. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.